Hello and welcome to TrixCorner. In this video, we will see to convert numbers to words, and we are going to use Indian rupees format. For example, we have this amount in numbers which will be converted to amount in words. Before we start, do subscribe our channel TrixCorner for more interesting videos. Now we have this sales invoice from ABC Food Store with total bill amount of Rs 52,176, and we are going to convert these numbers to words. Excel does not provide any default function for this, but it doesn't mean that we cannot convert numbers to words. We can create a custom Excel formula for this using VBA code. To open VBA editor, go to Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Insert a new module and simply paste this VBA code here. The link to download this text file is in the description. Remember the name of function rupees in words. Now go back to Excel and start writing the new formula. Rupees in words, open bracket and select the cell with a number. That's it. Let's change the number and see if our formula works correctly. Let's also see if it works with decimals. Yes, it's working perfect. Do remember to save this file with macro enable format, or else this formula will not work. That's all for this video. Thank you.